Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabil Denzel Arlo, and I want to explain my presentation, syntax presentation, and the title is Understanding Constituency: An Introduction to Political Representation. First slide is what is constituency? An elected official's constituency is the geographic area they represent in a legislative body. Crucial points, it is sometimes referred to as a voting or electoral district. A representative is chosen by the voters of constituency. Importance of constituencies. Constituencies are important because they guarantee local participation in regional or national administration. They enable people to express their opinion through the representative they have chosen. In governance, they encourage responsiveness and accountability. Types of constituencies. Single-member constituency. Each constituency elects one representative, frequently seen in nations such as the United States and the United Kingdom. 2. A multi-member constituency is one in which many representatives are chosen, frequently utilized in systems with proportional representation. How constituencies work? The first is election procedure. Candidates run their campaigns inside their respective district. On election day, voters cast their ballots. The winner is the candidate who receives the most votes or the necessary majority. Representation. The elected official represent their constituents by speaking and voting. Challenges in constituency system. The manipulation of boundaries for political purpose is known as gerrymandering. Unequal representation, inequitable influence may result from variation in population sizes. Apathy among voters, people may feel cut off from their representative constituency around the world. The United Kingdom House of Commons has 650 constituencies. There are 543 Lok Sabha seats in India. Indonesia, referred to as daerah pemilihan electoral zones, for election to the legislature. The conclusion is the main conclusion that constituents are essential to democratic representation because they serve as a link between the people and the government. Good governance and public trust are fostered by an equitable constituency system. And the part two is tree diagram. Okay. And here I want to explain the tree diagram. And the number one is the book was recommended by the teacher was borrowed several students. Distributes down the sentence into its synthetic components, showing how each part contributes in the overall structure. S is sentence, and NP is noun phrase, the subject, and VP is verb phrase, the predicate. Noun phrase, the subject of the sentence, the book what that was recommended by the teacher, and that is a determiner. The noun is book, the noun is followed by the relative clause starting with that modifying book. And C is complementizer, and CP is a complementizer phrase. The complementizer is that. Introduce a relative clause is that was recommended by teacher. This clause contains is verb recommended, and P is a preposition is by, and noun phrase is the teacher. Verb phrase. This is the main verb phrase of the sentence was borrowed by several students. It includes is auxiliary is was and main verb is borrowed and prepositional phrase is by several students. By is the prepositional a preposition and several students is the object of the preposition. Number two is the although delayed due to rain. Players continue their warm-up routine. As is sentence, the sentence is composed to two main parts. SBAR is subordinate clause introduced by although, and main clause, the independent clause, player continued their warm-up routine. Subordinate clause is although delayed due to rain is a subordinate clause, also called an adverbial clause. And the verb phrase is delayed. Prepositional phrase is due to rain. Due to is treated here as a present preposition. Rain is the object of the preposition. And main clause and noun phrase is a player's. Verb phrase is continued the warm up routine. The verb is continued. The object is another. Noun phrase is their warm up routine. There is a possessive determiner. Warm up routine is the noun phrase being possessed. Function of the comma. The comma separates the subordinate clause from this main clause and helps clarify the structure for readability. Number three is the new regulation were announced by government after the economy showed signs of instability. As is sentence, the overall sentence is composed of a noun phrase as the subject and a verb phrase as the predicate. NP is noun phrase. The subject of sentence is the new regulation. The is determiner. New is adjective. Regulation is a noun. Verb phrase, the predicate begins with a passive construction. Where is an auxiliary verb in the passive voice? Announced is the participle, is the past participle or V of the main verb. Together, we announce indicates a passive action. PP, prepositional phrase by the government. By is the preposition. The government is a noun phrase, the object of the preposition. SBAR, subordinate clause. The part of the sentence starts with after, indicating a temporal subordinate clause. After function as a complementizer of subordinating conjunction. Subordinate as sentence. The subject is the economy. The predicate is showed sign of instability. Showed is the main verb and sign is the direct object. Instability is a prepositional phrase modifying signs where instability is noun and the object of the preposition is of. Number four is the man who was arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. As is sentence, the entire sentence is divided in two main components, a noun phrase NP, and VP is verb phrase. NP, subject, noun phrase, the man who arrested last night. The is determined, man is noun, this noun is relative is clause, SBAR. Who is relative pronoun, was arrested last night, was is an auxiliary verb. Arrested is the past participle verb. Last night is temporal adverbial phrase or noun phrase. VP, verb phrase, is had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. Had is a perfect auxiliary, been is progressive auxiliary, hiding is the main verb is present participle form. In the abandoned warehouse is a preposition. The abandoned warehouse is noun phrase. The is determinant. Abandoned is an adjective. Warehouse is noun. Four is preposition, which is a plural noun functioning as duration expression. And the last is the big girl saw Eleazar with a lovable panda recently. S is sentence. The sentence contains two major components, a noun phrase NP as the subject, a verb phrase VP as the predicate NP. Subject, the big girl. The is determiner that specifies of the noun. Big is an adjective describing the noun. Girl is the noun. VP predicate. Saw Eleazar with a lovable panda recently. Saw is the main verb. Eleazar is a proper noun. Acting NP is as the direct object of the verb saw. PP with a lovable panda. With is a preposition and a lovable panda is noun praise. A is determiner, a lovable is adjective describing the noun. Panda is the head noun. Recently is an adverb modifying by the verb phrase. In the conclusion of the sentence, illustrate a clear subject verb object structure and additional detail provided by the prepositional phrase and an adverbial modifier, the sentence answer. Okay, I think enough from my the presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.